Hey, how's it going? John from Branson, Cerakote and Laser here. It's going to be part 2 of our Glock 19 custom build. And this part of the video, or this part of the project, is going to be a tattered flag. So we're going to do the whole gun tattered flag, including the Vortex Venom and the TLR8. At this point, everything's been prepped, degreased, gassed out, and sanded, and it's all ready to go. The first thing we're going to do is the barrel. I'm going to do an Elite Jungle, just to give it a little more durability, especially with the Glocks, with that hard edge on the front of the breech. Tends to slam up in that slide, and it chews it up pretty good. Elite's a little bit better for enduring that much punishment. I'm eventually going to get a threaded drop-in barrel for it so we can shoot suppressed, but I just haven't had time to do it, and I need to get this thing up. As far as the Elite goes, you mix that at 18:1 only. You spray it at only 30 psi, and you have to strain it through a 325 filter. So that's already spinning on the magnetic stirrer. I'm going to mix up 18 mil, which will be more than enough to do this barrel, and won't be doing any more talking after this. The rest of the video will just be me spraying different parts of the project. When it's appropriate, I'll throw a little bubble up at the top to let you know what's going on and any information that comes up along the way. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Check us out at BransonCerakote.com for all your stencil needs. Have a great day.
lost inside.